Recording? Beautiful. Whew. Want some help? Yes. There we go.
That's the hardest driving to get this out.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since we've done any go-karts or dirt bikes, and here we have the perfect opportunity to make a video about this go-kart that my friend built. He basically built this out of a unnamed shopping cart. Yeah, made this all by himself basically. I just helped with the brake, and that's it. That's all the help I was.
Oh yeah,
looks nice.
Very, very nice.
All right, so this cart cost him around $800 in total. And first he started with the frame of the shopping cart, and then he just built around. He just built the back end right here where the axle mounts, and he also built the front where the wheels mount. He just basically added it on to the shopping cart, and yeah. This is a first time welding project. He basically learned how to weld on this. So my friend said that he basically got most of the parts off Amazon, like the wheels, the tie rods, the steering assembly, and that shit has a pretty nice drifting angle. Pretty good. Got some nice pink spray paint on there. Uses that nice accent color. I love that tape. Holding it on for dear life.
I forgot to tack it.
This tape holding that nut in for dear life. It's going full in.
See, that one's like tacked. I forgot to do the other one because Abil just did it.
Yeah. Here we have just a basic bucket seat. I think it's what, plastic?
Yeah. This it's from Jegs.
Jegs. Yeah. There you go. It's from Jegs. Now here in the rear we have a Predator 212 engine. Can't go wrong with the 212. This torque converter is a 30 series, and we've pretty much put these on all of our mini bikes and go-karts in the past, and it hasn't failed us. Except for the bolt snapping, that happened a few times.
Literally, like, this was such a head scratcher, remember, Del?
Yeah, we were trying to figure out how to mount that for like at least a few hours.
Little did I know, could have spent like what, like $30 more to get like a legit one, just make it like a pedal.
Yeah. Got a nice reservoir, just zip tied on there, because zip ties are the best. Got some sticker decals. Hey, but also I noticed that this is rubbing on the freaking thing.
Is it?
On the frame, yeah. Wow. That is very unexpected. I see. The axle is held in with these pillow block bearings. We got some nice meaty tires on here. These are supposed to be rain tires, but we made them into drifting tires. But these are aired down a little bit to give us more grip, so we'll see how that drifts with a little bit lower pressure. 42 sprocket, nice in between. Here we have some basic brakes.
From Amazon?
Yeah, from Amazon. 2 piston brakes. A nice disc on there. That doesn't look straight, but it'll do. We have this impressive weld on there. It's at a nice angle. That's actually impressive. I'm gonna be stopping from 60 to 0 and never.
Exactly.
Because we don't stop. We only go. Oh, and best part, got this BMW emblem right there. Has just as much reliability. He also has this custom exhaust pipe. Nice and pretty. Gives it some more horsepower. Yeah, we have a nice fart cannon exhaust on here. Something that you'd see on a Civic or something. Just hauling down the road. Going like 40 but sound like it's going Mach 10. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Time to go rip it around, huh?
Oh yeah. As you can tell, it has a trunk.
Yeah, it has
for your
nice
cargo.
Yeah, for your cargo.
Boom. Never lose it ever again, eh?
Yeah. That's how it works.
beautiful build.
Yeah. Good drone.
What a kill switch. Bro, this thing drifts so easily, huh?
Oh,
Because
dude,
there's so many.
the little brake, e-brake thing works so well around that corner.
Yeah, I saw you just screw that.
That's
Crazy.
Alright, good. You ready?
Hold on. Okay, go.
That is sick.
Well guys, that does it for this go-kart in this video. My friends are gonna sell it within the next few weeks. Then I guess after he's gonna attempt to build another one. Yeah, I guess we will reconvene in a number of months. Make a new video every like 7 months. Like I've been in the past 7 months. Yeah. There we go.
Sure.
Yeah. That's it. If you guys like this video, and if you guys more specifically like this go-kart, give this video a thumbs up. We might have some more go-karting content. Maybe something else. That's our mountain biking again though, freaking. It's been way too long.
It's hot, bro. It's 110. You feel it?
Yeah. we're about to go cook some eggs, even though we already cooked tires.
Yeah.
No? Alright, thank you guys for watching. Oh shit. Oh, there's a backfire. What the pin?
Is it in gear, Daniel?
How would it be in gear?
No.
What the hell? The kill switch is on the good position, you said.
Mm-hmm.